Good afternoon, welcome back. After a small break for a couple of days, as I had to attend a wedding of one of my friends here in Skardu, and here's the indication or sign that I went to a wedding. When you go to a day before on a event which is called Mehndi, this is henna. The groom's side, they put henna on their fingers and stuff like that. Anyway, we are back on the road after that event, and today we are going on my right side over here is Kharmang district. We did cover Ganche district and went to Kaplu the other day, but today we're going to go to Manthoka Waterfall and Khamush Waterfall. I have picked up a couple of friends also, and they are joining us today, and they're traveling with us. There's a crazy guy on the bike. But let me introduce you to my friends real quick. This is Mr. Asif Piru, and this is Mr. Akhtar Javed. And we met them and became friends at a wedding event, and they are from Punjab district, where I'm from basically, and they were also here for a wedding. So today I invited them to ride along with us and just give us some company, and we'll talk about some things. And they are both, well, by the way, I forgot to tell you, they are both trekkers, and they have mountaineers, and they have climbed numerous mountains, and we'll talk about it later once we get to the lake. Thank you. We are going directly to Khamush Waterfall. Right now I am passing through a small village, town, settlement, whatever you want to call that. Last time I was here, and compared to that, from that to today, I see the colors on the trees have changed a lot. There's a lot of yellows and reds and a little bit of green left now, but it's a beautiful drive. The road is not too bad. I'm just sailing through it fine. On my left is a beautiful river with turquoise water flowing through it. I mean, it's just beautiful bluish tint. Just almost to the end of a small town that I passed through called Scenic. I just made a quick stop on this sign, which shows you exactly where each and every place in this valley is. Places you can go to. There is a list for some key offices, hospitals, and tracks. There are jeep tracks, and there are waterfalls, and there are suspension bridges and stuff like that, international boundaries, lakes. So all kind of information is on this board and sign right here, which is right in front of you. We have stopped here at this MP checkpost, military police checkpost. Again, as I was telling you earlier, there's a lot of check and balance. They want to make sure who's coming in and going out. We are very close to the border region over here. Behind me is a sign that's showing you MP Checkpost Tolti. On my right side is Indus River, and on my left side are some beautiful big mountains. We are about 45 minutes from Khamush Waterfall. On the way, I don't think we're going to make any more stops. We'll just final destination. I'm going to cut here, and I'm going to go close to the river and give you some info about this river and give you some good shots. Behind me is River Indus. River Indus originates from Tibet, Tibet, and then it goes to Ladakh, India, and from India it enters Pakistan in this part, northern part of this country. This is a place where I've seen this Indus River most calm, flowing just beautifully and nicely and just so peacefully. And the color is just amazing. It's because right now monsoon rains are gone, so the water is clean. This color is telling me that this is all the melting of glaciers and ice coming into this river, and that's why it has this turquoise, bluish, greenish tint to it. The plan was not to stop till I get to Khamush waterfall, but the views are just so beautiful, and I want to share with you guys. And you know, I cannot just say enough. Look at the whole picture here. I'm gonna get out of the shot and let you just see the whole site that I'm looking at, the river and the color of trees and the mountains and just the sound of this water flowing, so peaceful.
Welcome to Khamush Waterfall. Finally, we made it after 3 hours drive from Skardu, many stops, and here it is. As you all know, the other day I broke an axle on this Jeep, and there were a lot of comments saying I shouldn't be modifying the original vehicle. It was a bad build, all kinds of stuff. There were people wishing me well. But here's the thing, the axle didn't break on its own. I broke it. How I broke it? By playing hard. That's what this thing is designed to do. It's designed for me to play, to take it to places, to put it under stress. You know, like they say, a ship looks good at the shore, but that's not what the ship is built for. It's meant to be at the sea. This thing is meant to do what this front suspension displacement, look at that. Look at how the displacement between the front two axles are, and it's keeping the body straight. That is what this thing does. It goes where other vehicles sometimes cannot go or find it very hard to go. But you know, that's the part of game, breaking stuff. You fix it, you get back on that horse once you fall, and you carry on. Thank you.